Alrighty guys, check it out. So I just stopped to grab some agua. We got like 2 inches of snow last night, whatever, but I wanted to show you, guys. I've literally drove like 2 miles. Look, oh, she doesn't look too bad. She's so freaking dirty. Here, I'll turn it around. She is so dirty. 2 miles, look at that. Oh my God. So I hope Kansas City has a good wash bay, because I gotta wash this bad boy, and I'm gonna be there in like 7 hours. I'm ready to rock. Yeah, this fun is just beginning. Tomorrow's the real fun day when I actually start riding. Let's go.